Chapter 1. Sources of History. We have studied the sources of ancient and medieval Indian history. This year, we are going to study the sources of modern Indian history. Historical sources include material, written, and oral sources. Similarly, sources based on modern technologies such as audio, video, and audio-visual are included. Material sources. Various objects, monuments, places, coins, sculptures, etc. can be included in the material sources of history. Monuments means memorials, buildings and places. The period of modern Indian history is believed as period of European, especially the British rulers, and governance of princely states. In this period, various buildings, bridges, roads, water supply system, fountains, etc. were built. These buildings include government offices, residence of officers, leaders, and revolutionaries, palaces of rulers of princely states, forts, prisons, etc. Among these monuments, many buildings are intact even today. Some are declared as national monuments, whereas some are converted into museums. For example, Cellular Jail in Andaman. While visiting these sites, we get information about contemporary history, architecture, nature of the monument. Contemporary means living or occurring at the same time, and also the economic condition of that particular period. Just as during the visit of Cellular Jail in Andaman, we get information about the revolutionary work of V.D. Savarkar by visiting Mani Bhavan in Mumbai or Sevagram Ashram at Wardha, we get information about the history of Gandhian era, statues and memorials. During the pre-independence and post-independence period, memorials of many personalities were erected in the form of statues. These statues are also important for the study of modern Indian history. The various statues provide information about the contemporary rulers and eminent personalities. The display plaque on the statues gives us information about the full name of the concerned person, birth and death details. Plaque means panel or plate. Brief information about their contribution and a biographical sketch of the person. Just as the statues of Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Lokmanya Tilak, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, there are memorials which are erected in the memory of various events which give information about the concerned event, period, people related to the event, etc. For example, Hutatma Smarak at various places. Have you heard of them? Maps and drawings. Map is also regarded as an important source of history. The changing nature of a city or a particular location can be traced through maps. The Survey of India was an independent department established during the British period. Through scientific methods of survey, they have created maps of India, various provinces of India, cities, etc. Similarly, the plans designed by the architects prove important from the view of study of architecture of a building as well as phases of development process of a particular area. For example, the Department of Mumbai Port Trust has the original plan of the Bombay Port. Information about development of Bombay city can be understood through the plans drafted by architects and engineers. Films. Films are considered as a unique discovery of modern technology. In the 20th century, there was a great development in the technique of filmmaking. Dada Saheb Phalke, in the year 1913, laid the foundation of the Indian film industry. Audio-visual recording of Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement, and such other historical incidents are available. Through these films, the events could be seen in reality. Have you seen them? Compared to ancient and medieval period, the sources of study of modern Indian history are found in abundance and variety. The archaeological sources of the period are to a great extent found in a better state. There are many written sources preserved in the archives. Archives means collecting of historical documents or records. But while referring the written sources, the ideology and opinions of the author regarding the particular event needs to be examined. There is a great need of preserving these historical sources through which the rich tradition of history can be handed over to the next generation.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।